MFI make this effort to invite really good professionals for the workshops.
There are some people that have seen your process and your thinking, and they're the best people to, in the future, like reach out for some feedback and tell them that's where I am. So I think these are sort of relationships that grow with time.
I find not only a good tutor, teacher, I think I find a friend and a mentor here already.
I've met quite a lot of friends here actually, which definitely I see a future where we will collaborate, whether it be writing or, producers. So in that regard, it was very helpful because everybody was just like this, they have this energy to like, oh, I'm meeting new people and we will help one another. So like the whole focus of this workshop was like, oh, we're meeting other people in other groups and like, how can I help them?
That you create this network and then it create an immediate bonds that, you've done something in the past that you shared, and it just makes it a lot easier to reach out to them and say, hey, I had this project, can I get your opinion on that?
I do believe that films come and go, but actually human relationships stay, and this is the essence of filmmaking, human relationship.
It's always fruitful to meet people in this kind of lab, then later it becomes much easier to reconnect with them and maybe collaborate with them.
So it's another opportunity to get close to our big professionals, learn something from them on this very safe, friendly island, Greek environment.